How to make pecan brittle. Give brittle a gourmet twist by using toasted pecans. It's as easy as making peanut brittle but gives you a richer and deeper flavor with the same nostalgic feels. Ingredients: 1 cup brown sugar, packed. 3/4 cup maple syrup. 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. ½ teaspoon baking soda. 1 cup toasted pecans, chopped. Instructions. Step 1: Prepare everything you need and ensure that the ingredients are within easy reach by the time you start cooking. Step 2: In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, bring sugar and maple syrup to a boil over medium heat. Stir occasionally to ensure there are no sugar lumps left. Step 3: Let it cook until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't keep your eyes off the mixture as it tends to burn fast. Step 4: Remove the pan immediately from the heat once it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5: Add the butter, vanilla, and baking soda. Stir continuously to incorporate all the ingredients together. Step 6: Stir in the pecans quickly and pour the mixture onto the greased baking sheet. Swirl the baking sheet around and let the mixture spread by itself. Step 7: Let the pecan brittle cool for 30 minutes. Step 8: Once the brittle is ready, crack it to pieces and store in an airtight container.